Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're safe. This is Ash from Fetch Profits Academy. Unbounce by default adds its own favicon to each of the landing pages that you'll create with Unbounce. Now, obviously, you might want to add your own favicon to your landing pages as you go about creating them because it gives you that little extra oomph to your branding, especially when your URLs show up on paid results on Google or on organic results as the case may be. So to add a favicon to your unbounce is fairly simple, but the first step you need to do is to find your favicon. The easy way to do it, which works with most websites, is to just type in your website /favicon.ico. So in my case, I would type fetchprofits.com/favicon.ico, and your favicon should show up with the respective URL that is unique to your website and your favicon. This is how your favicon shows up, and here's the URL for it, which I'll need to use later. In case you don't find your favicon on a particular URL like this, when you might have to manually upload your favicon using an image hosting service such as Amazon Web Services, Dropbox, or any other image hosting service that you might need. Alternatively, you can also use your own CMS platform such as WordPress. Go over to your WordPress account, for example, click on Media, add New, and add your favicon manually to your media library. Click on that particular image. After you upload it, you'll be able to grab that particular URL which associates with that image. So having said that, once you're ready with your favicon URL, click into your unbounce page that you want to edit. Click on edit. Once you get to your particular page here, you will find a tab called JavaScript on the bottom left corner. Click on JavaScript. Click on add new JavaScript. Be sure to name it as favicon. Be sure to add your favicon JavaScript to the head section of Unbounce pages and copy and paste the code that Unbounce provides you to add a favicon to your Unbounce pages. This particular code is available in the description below, and also be sure to change the URL here, which is the default URL, to the URL that your favicon lives on. So in my case, my favicon lives here, so I will just want to copy that, get back to my window here on the scripts manager inside Unbounce, replace that default URL with my URL and click on done. Click on save and republish my page. Once you click on save and publish it, on the top left corner of a tab that opens up, you will be able to see your branded favicon, which shows up right next to your Unbounce page. Now, you might ask me, why do you have to do this manually for every single page? Why can't we do it at one go for all the pages that you'll create on Unbounce? That's fairly easy as well. All you need to do is on the left side menu, click on settings, find script manager, click on script manager. You'll be able to find a list of all the scripts that you're using by default on your Unbounce pages. You can add your favicon to each and every landing page that you'll create with Unbounce. So click on add a script on the top right corner. It'll ask you what would you like to add. You will pick custom script, give that script a name, add script details. Be sure to add the script on the head section of your Unbounce landing page. Select all so that this particular script goes live on every single page that you create, which includes your form dialog boxes and your thank you pages. Add your script below and be sure to change that URL to the URL that is unique to your favicon. Just replace this default URL with your own and then save and publish the script. Once you do that, every single page from now on that you create inside Unbounce within your account will have your favicon showing up automatically. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a video. If you are my subscriber or viewer, you will get a special discount from Unbounce. Get about 20% off for the first 3 months of your Unbounce account. Please go to fetchprofits.com/unbounce to get your copy today. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.